from a 1-year-old baby to a 100-year-old Les. Dual race boxer! Ready, go!
Ready? Go!
The 21 to 30-year-olds are destroying everyone. The first 5 from each decade move forward. The crowd is going wild. What a race! The 21 to 30-year-olds are destroying everyone. Look at them go. First 5 from each, that is moving forward.
The crowd is going absolutely wild for this.
Dodgeball time. How are the old people supposed to dodge? Oh, the kid got hit. Tough break. And there go the seniors eliminated. What a game. Everyone above 40 is out. No way, I'm hit. My back.
Arrow shooting, swimming, ladder building. Green team takes first place. 2 teams eliminated. Penalty shootout. The youngest picks who to eliminate. You miss, you're out. You missed. You're eliminated.
This one's going.
In the end, games. According to data, 28 is closest to prime. In your dreams, watch this. Yes! 28 wins powerfully.
Final 6 contestants. Now we push them to the absolute limit. Mannequin weight challenge. Everyone holding heavy mannequins.
Oh, this is so heavy.
Fingers hurting? Drop it if you can't.
A 7-year-old in the final against 28.
A 7-year-old.
This is the final.
28 is fighting for his wife's student loans. 7-year-old says he will win.
Yes, we will win.
The crowd is going crazy.
Ronaldo, win. This is insane. Come on, focus. You got this. This is for my wife's student loans. I'm glad it can make a difference. Thank you. You have no idea. You made it to the final. Here's $10,000. Age is just a number. 28 proved he is in his prime.